With that, let's also speak about who the Chief Minister could be. It's a clear mandate for the Mahayuti and it's a mega comeback after the Lok Sabha setback. The Mahayuti is halfway through the majority mark, with the alliance currently leading on more than 220 seats in the 288-member assembly. The BJP has emerged as the single largest party, leading on around 130 seats. Now, the next big question on everyone's mind is who will be the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. The main contenders for the CM post are Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde. Let's take a look at what works for them and what could work against them. So let's take a look at what really works for them. What are their strengths? The strengths for Eknath Shinde being he's a Maratha leader. He's also the architect of the Ladki Behan Yojana. Devendra Fadnavis, of course, is the main face of the BJP. He's one of the most prominent leaders of the BJP. BJP has done phenomenally well with an 89% strike rate. So that works in favor of Devendra Fadnavis. We're doing a SWOT analysis. So let's take a look at what are the weaknesses. Eknath Shinde, of course, because of his dependency on the BJP, and Devendra Fadnavis on the other side also being seen as somebody who has cut parties, the NCP as well as the Shiv Sena. Now, as far as the opportunities go, it makes the Shinde Sena a lot more stronger. Is that something that the BJP would want is the question. But remember, Devendra Fadnavis should be the Chief Minister. That has been the demand of the BJP workers. Now, let's take a look at the threats as well for each of them. For Eknath Shinde, the BJP would want to promote its own CM. For Devendra Fadnavis, Eknath Shinde and the Shinde cadre have pushed for Eknath Shinde to be the Chief Minister. So this is the SWOT analysis, and remember, this is the analysis that will be done as well at noon today when there is a meeting of the Mahayuti that's expected. Who will be the Chief Minister? What works for them? That's going to be looked at in this meeting today. So we looked at what's going to work in the favor of these two leaders. Who is it going to be? That decision could be taken today. But let's also listen in to the top Mahayuti leaders who reacted when they were asked about the CM post after securing a clear mandate. Here's what they said.
सीएम पद के ऊपर कोई भी विवाद यहाँ नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि पहले दिन से ये तय है कि चुनाव जब संपन्न होगा तो चुनाव के बाद तीनों पार्टियां मिलकर इसको तय करेगी। हमारे नेता आदरणीय होम मिनिस्टर साहब ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में ये बहुत स्पष्ट शब्दों में बताया है कि चुनाव के बाद तीनों पार्टियां बैठेगी और इसका निर्णय करेगी। अभी मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि हमारे एकनाथ शिंदे जी उनके पार्टी के अध्यक्ष हैं, अजित पवार जी उनकी पार्टी के अध्यक्ष हैं, और साथ में हमारे पार्टी के जो राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष हैं उनको हमारा पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड ऑथराइज करता है। तो ये लोग बैठकर एक उचित निर्णय करेंगे, हमारे वरिष्ठ नेताओं से बातचीत करेंगे, हमारे पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड से बातचीत करेंगे। जो निर्णय होगा वो सबको मान्य होगा, इसमें कोई विवाद नहीं।
जनतेने लाडक्या मुख्यमंत्र्यांना पाठिंबा दिला, जनतेने लाडक्या मुख्यमंत्र्यांना
इस वक्त एक बड़ा चर्चा का विषय है।
लाडक्या भावाला खूप सहकार्य केले, आशीर्वाद दिलेले आहेत आणि नक्की आमची जबाबदारी आता वाढलेली आहे। आता हे सगळे आकडे आल्यानंतर, सगळे नंबर अंतिम झाल्यानंतर आम्ही तिन्ही पक्ष एकत्र बसू आणि जो निर्णय आहे तो जसा आम्ही समन्वयाने हा निर्णय घेतला तसा समन्वयाने निर्णय तोही होईल।
As Maharashtra moves beyond the battle ballot into a game of thrones with the Mahayuti, sources are now telling Times Now that the clamour for Shinde for CM has also begun in the Shiv Sena. Shiv Sena sources say that the party cadre believe this is a victory of the farmers, the workers, the women and the common men and women of Maharashtra. The Shiv Sena leaders emphasized that the people of Maharashtra have voted the Mahayuti and validated the leadership of Eknath Shinde, and that Shinde should lead the state to greater prosperity and contribute to the Prime Minister's vision for Amrit Kal. But on the other hand, there's also demands that is coming in. NCP has cleared that Ajit Pawar is not in the race to be the Chief Minister and that he is returned to only as the Deputy Chief Minister in the state.
तो जनता जानना चाहती है कि आखिर शपथ विधि कब होगी?
देखिए, अभी कल हर एक पार्टी अपने अपने जो पार्टी लीडर्स है उसको चुनेंगी और उसके पश्चात मुझे लगता है कि परसों हम लोग फाइनली अंतिम बैठेंगे। हो सकता है दिल्ली में बैठे और तीनों पार्टी तय करेगी कि भी अपना लीडर ये कोलिशन।
अजीत दादा डिप्टी सीएम ने?
अजीत दादा तो हाँ डिप्टी सीएम जरूर रहेंगे, ऐसा आज तो मैं कुछ बोलना ठीक नहीं है, लेकिन अनुमान तो यही लगाया जा सकता है क्योंकि 3 पार्टी हैं, तीनों पार्टियों को प्रतिनिधित्व मिलेगा, एक मुख्यमंत्री तो 2 उप मुख्यमंत्री रहेंगे, और उसी भरोसे मैं कह सकता हूं कि अजीत पवार बनेंगे।
और फडणवीस जी सीएम?
भाई देखिए, मैं किसी सीएम के अटकलें नहीं इसलिए लगाऊंगा क्योंकि ये तीनों पार्टियों को बैठ के फैसला करना होगा, लेकिन हम जहां तक है मुख्यमंत्री की दौड़ में नहीं है।
My colleague Arunil Saradekar joins us on the broadcast with the details of what's expected today. Arunil, a lot of suspense over who the chief minister could be. Is it going to be Eknath Shinde? Is it going to be Devendra Fadnavis? Could it be somebody else? The speculations continue. What's it going to be? What are the discussions that are taking place in each of the camps, and how will the decision finally be taken? Because for the BJP, Devendra Fadnavis, with 89% strike rate of the party, seems to have really played a very significant role. But the Mahayuti also believes that it was Eknath Shinde who led the alliance this election.
Well, there is no doubt, Pratibha, that the BJP believes in the leadership of Devendra Fadnavis now. This is the biggest victory of an alliance in the history of Maharashtra polls. This is the biggest victory of BJP in the history of Maharashtra elections. 133 they got. The magic figure is 145, only 12 shy of the magic figure. Nobody expected this kind of a landslide victory. Now coming to CM Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena party as well, they believe that the elections were fought under the leadership of Eknath Shinde. The schemes were introduced, like the much talked about Ladki Bahin Yojana, which translates to Ladki Bahin Yojana. That basically worked for them, as well as different development schemes that were initiated under CM Eknath Shinde worked for them. So at least 2.5 years of CM post should be given to Eknath Shinde, the first 2.5 years, and then BJP can take the next 2.5 years, remaining 2.5 years. This is a request, or rather a demand, that is coming in from the CM Eknath Shinde's party, and they are expected to basically convey and communicate this thing to the BJP High Command in Delhi as well. Now coming to the BJP, Ajit Pawar camp have made it clear that they don't want the CM post. They are satisfied with the deputy CM position, which Ajit Pawar has held whenever he's been a part of the government, ironically. Now coming to the BJP, whether BJP is in a position to compromise on the CM post despite getting such kind of a huge mandate, 133 seats, that is again an interesting aspect to look into. If at all the BJP compromises and gives it to CM Shinde, isn't it like going against the people's mandate? The people of Maharashtra have voted for BJP wholeheartedly. That is again a question that was asked to one of the BJP leaders, and he basically smiled over it. So yes, the final decision obviously will be taken by the BJP High Command in Delhi. Again, interestingly, we had seen in the last 3 state elections, be it Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, the chief minister, favorites for chief ministers were sidelined, and other leaders were given a chance to become chief minister. Whether that is going to be followed in Maharashtra, in a mercurial state like Maharashtra, where alliance handling the alliance partners is also important. The experience of Devendra Fadnavis is also something that will be significant. What the BJP High Command decides, that will be interesting. Series of meetings lined up today, but that will be post noon when Fadnavis reaches Mumbai.
Okay, all right. Devendra Fadnavis in a video had said, "मैं समुंदर हूँ, लौट के आऊँगा," and there are a lot of speculations on whether that means that he will now be returning as the chief minister or not. Lot expected today, and we'll be